In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step process on how to change the cabin air filter in a 2021 to 2024 Ford Bronco Sport. Now this is a really good filter. It's a little bit tighter and more woven than the standard filters. You will pay a little bit more for this one, but if you have allergies or you live in dusty conditions, this is a really good filter to have. I'll put a link in the description down below for this one, and also for a good quality, cheaper filter. Now, depending on where you live, you may want to change this once a year, or if you're in average conditions, about every 24,000 miles. So let's go ahead and get it changed out and get this vehicle back on the road. You need to open up the passenger door. We can open up the glove box. And on the right side of the glove box, down towards the dash area, you'll see that pin and that damper arm. We need to remove that. So to make sure that that doesn't break, I like to take a pair of needle nose pliers and you just give this a little bit of a squeeze before we try pulling the arm off. You just get your finger behind there and pull straight out. Now you can also squeeze with your needle nose and then pull at the same time as well. It's just pretty tight and I don't want you to break that arm. You're going to want to remove everything inside the glove box. On the right side, you'll see this tab sticking out right here. Just push that in, and it will kind of stick inside. And then on the left side is the same thing. Just push the tab in until it goes inside. And then with both of those tabs pressed in, your glove box will go all the way down. Just hang on to it, don't let it flop and hit the floor. Now this door right here contains your cabin air filter. You may or may not have screws in here. I've seen it in some and not others. This one doesn't. Now you will see a tab right here and another tab right here. Just push those outward like you're going that way, and then this one's going to go this way. And then you're going to do that and then pull down on the door at the same time. The door will stay on, and then there is your cabin airflow filter. Now you want to make sure that the arrows are pointed down. The last person that installed it may have done it upside down, but the arrows should point downward. Go ahead and grab it and pull straight out. You may have to wiggle back and forth a little bit. And then I like to use a small crevice tool on a vacuum and just stick it in there and vacuum out any debris. Now we're going to install our new filter with the arrows pointed down. Then we're just going to close up the door. And as you push in, you'll see that the tabs will automatically lock into place. Now we can just go ahead and lift up our door, close it up, reopen it, and you'll notice that the stops have already stopped into place, and we just need to reinstall that damper. This little damper rod, you may have to just pull on it a little bit, get it lined up, and then just push straight in. Put your stuff back in your glove box and close it up. And that's all there is to it, guys. You've saved yourself some time and money by not having to take it to a dealership or pay someone else to do it. Now you got nice clean air to breathe inside your cabin. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching.